Hi, welcome to our channel of IGNOU Audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University, School of Performing and Visual Arts, SOPVA. Diploma in Theatre Arts, DTH. 3005 Manual of Classroom Play Production. Play 3 Go Grahan. Chorus, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हम बुलबुले है इसकी ये गुलिस्तान हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. Narrator, why did you stop singing? Chorus starts singing again. Chorus, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हम निकम्मे है इसकी ये हाल है हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. Narrator, why so? Why are you saying this? Chorus, yes sir. This is the reality, we are useless, absolutely useless. Narrator, this is not good, cursing thyself is sin. Actor 1, then you are useless. Narrator, cursing someone else is an even greater sin. Actor 1, we cannot curse ourselves, we cannot curse others, how will we survive? Narrator, why do you need to curse anyone? Actor 1, my sister's marriage has become a burden for us. Actor 2, and my sister has returned as a widow. Actor 3, my sister-in-law has committed suicide. Actor 4, all this is happening, yet you want us to sing Sare Jahan Se Acha? Narrator, yes, really very sad but you didn't do anything. Actor 1, what can we do? Get crucified? 1 lakh is required to buy a groom. Actor 2, my brother-in-law borrowed so much that he took his own life. Actor 3, my brother is an alcoholic, so sister-in-law committed suicide. Narrator, still you did nothing? Actor 1, what should we do? Sing hymns? Bhayo start. Ram. Bhajo bhai Ram bhajo. Actor 2, the condition of women in this country is such that this country will never progress. Narrator, listen, guess your name is not Shakuni, Shikhandi, etc., etc. Actor 1, no, my name is Budh. Actor 2, I am Shani. Actor 3, Guru. Actor 4, Shukr. Actor 5, Rahu. Actor 6, Ketu. Actor 7, I'm Mangal. Narrator, Mangal, Guru, Shukr, Shani, Buddha, Rahu Ketu, you won't understand because you're all young chaps. Actor, so why don't you explain us? Old chap. Narrator, will explain you, will show you, I will show the play. Actor, what will be your role Guruji? Narrator, and sometimes the character. Actor, name of the play? Narrator, the name of the play will be Go Grahan. Chorus, Go Grahan, Go Grahan, Go Grahan, Go Grahan. SCENE forest. Narrator, where are you going, mother? Cow, I am going to the forest for fodder. Narrator, be careful there are wild animals in the forest. Cow, I am used to it. I will come soon. Tiger attacks on Mangla. Cow, leave me for God's sake. Tiger, worked so hard to leave you? Cow, what will you get by killing me? Tiger, meat. Cow, I am at your feet. Tiger, and I hold your throat. Warm blood. Cow, please let me go now. I will meet my children and return. Tiger, you think I'm cat. I will have your warm blood. Cow, I swear I will be back. Narrator, when she is requesting so much, why don't you let her go? Tiger, who are you? Narrator, me, whoever I am, leave her. If she fails to return, you can eat me. Tiger, shut up. Now human is left to trust? Animals are better, you can go. Cow, you saved me Bapu. Narrator, Go Mata went home, she fed her cub and left for the forest. Chorus, where are you going, Go Mata? Mangala, Lord I have promised tiger. Lord, tiger or cat I don't care. I want milk. Narrator, she ignored her lord, he became angry and hit her so badly that she died and incarnated as a woman. Chorus, humming, who is woman after all? Actor 1, mother, daughter, sister. Actor 2, if you love, she a lover. Actor 3, if you marry, she is a witch. Actor 4, if left by a husband, she is available. Actor 5, if the husband dies, she is widow. Narrator, stop it, what nonsense, women means ideal power, that is why our ancestors said that Karaneshu Dasi. Actor 1, must work like a bull from dawn till dusk. Narrator, Karyeshu Mantri. Actor 2, must give advice like ministers. Narrator, Bhojeshu Mata. Actor 3, as soon as you come home, she must cook for you like a mother. Narrator, Shyaneshu Ramba. Actor 4, no matter what happens, she must be juicy in the evening, like heavenly beauty. Narrator, Rupeshu Lakshmi. Actor 5, must look like a money bag, beautiful like goddess Lakshmi. Narrator, Kshameshu Dharitri. Actor 6, no matter how wrong man is, she must forgive him like earth. Narrator, Shat Dharma Yukta. Actor 7, a woman must have these 6 virtues. If she follows them, she will go to heaven. Chorus, if not then we will send her. Throw the girl Mangala out of the circle. Narrator, stop this nonsense. This mean thinking has made women weak. She is the creator, she gave birth to you, me, all of us. That is why we say Matrud Vobhua. SCENE chorus crying. Narrator, now what happened? Actor 1, even if I burn alive, it won't matter. Narrator, why? Have you met with an accident? Actor 2, completely annihilated. Narrator, what happened by the way? At least tell me. Chorus, girl is born, oh God. Group cries. Narrator, hold on. If a girl is born on Friday, it is considered auspicious. You should be happy. Actor 3, raising a girl is not less than hell. Actor 4, Bindi, Kajal. Actor 5, mirror, ribbon. Actor 6, flowers, bangles. Actor 7, payal, lahenga, suit salwa. Actor 8, operation, delivery. After so much of expenditure, if you ask her to sit at home, she says. Chorus, I will go to college. Scene, house. Father, so, you want to go college? Mangala, yes, Pitaji. Brother, if someone teases you, how disrespectful it would be for us. Fateh, look, if you study till BA, then I will have to find a boy who has studied MA. If you do MA then PhD, and if you do PhD then. Brother, Prime Minister, what will you do after studying? Will you work or rule? Mangla, we are doing jobs and running the country also. I don't bunk the classes to watch morning shows. I don't get stuck in the same class for 3 to 3 years. Pitaji, if you are thinking about money, you are planning to spend on my marriage. Give me for my studies, I will return that every month. Mother, my daughter has become so mature. Father, yes, why not, of course she will speak, she is your daughter. Okay, go to college or hell, wherever your wish. Brother, you will go without makeup. Father, you will raise your head after reaching college. Brother, don't accept love letter etc. Father, you will not talk to boys. Brother, and boyfriend. Mangala, stop it now, you are sending me college or stable. Father, shut your mouth, you are arguing with your brother? Mangla, why? All these rules are meant for me only, not for him. Father, he is a boy and you are a girl. Brother, yes, why should girls need be educated? Mangla, need? Saraswati is goddess of knowledge. She is a woman. 2. Scene bus. Teaser 1, oh Guru, poor girl is getting rammed in bus. Teaser 2, somebody please help her. Teaser 3, she looks like an ice cream. Teaser 4, she is a girl, she has been standing for so long, somebody give her a seat. Teaser 5, come baby, have seat in my heart. Teaser 6, Bhagwati Premandehi, love me a bit. Teaser 7, then love me. Teaser 8, I love you. Please love me too. Teaser 1, Ma, oh Ma, it's been 3 years nobody loved me, please love me. Mangla, okay okay, so you all love me? Teasers, of course. Mangala, okay then I announce my Swayamvar. To whomsoever I hand this handkerchief, will marry me. Teaser 2, marriage means wedding. Wedding means my father will die. Teaser 3, marriage without dowry, my mother will jump in the well. Teaser 4, look okay I love you but marriage this is 3 much. Teaser 5, look I am not coward like today's generation. I will marry you right here, but the only problem is that I am already Married. Mangla, you bloody. Takes off her sandal. Narrator. Well done, you have done very good thing. It is not enough. To have a heart to love, one must have courage too. Only real man can love. To the teasers, they are worthless. You have completed your education. What do you want to do? Now, Mangla, I want to work. Narrator, well said, self-reliance is very important. Situations like asking for small things from father and husband should not happen. Alright Betty, go ahead, my wishes are with you. SCENEADVERTISMENT. Model 1, time for Rita biscuit is morning 9 o'clock. To increase faithfulness and courage in your dog, use only Rita biscuit. Good news for housewives, if you don't have dog, you can give it to your husbands. They will stay faithful. Model 2, to work in famous private company, wanted beautiful, attractive, hard-working secretary. Females with knowledge of dancing and singing will be given first preference. Salary. Negotiations open for broad-minded girls. Candidates interested can come for an interview tomorrow in the morning, please night at 10. Scene office. Secretary, good morning sir. We have received 3,333 applications so far. After the release of our advertisement, one candidate has already here. Boss, Secretary, alright, I'm calling her. To Mangala, your life is to set. Now, Mangla, good evening sir. Boss, Secretary, no need to get scared, he is her MD Sahab, he looks like a bear but his heart is sweet like honey. Boss, Mangla, why you are looking at me like this? Secretary, physical fitness. It is there or not he is checking. Mangla, but it is checked in the end. Secretary, oh no, here it is checked first. Boss, Secretary, your age? Mangla, 18. Boss, Secretary, oh ho, you've wasted 2 years, that is why he is looking at you anyways. Your speed? Mangla, 50 words per minute. Boss, Secretary, our MD Sahab is very happy. Boss, Secretary, sir is saying no need to come to office, he will come to your house. Mangala, exits, look, you must be having daughter like me, if she come here for an interview, will she be treated same way? Secretary, it is my duty, all because of this sinful stomach. Mangala, you don't have ape to kill your conscience to fill your stomach. Secretary, I know Betty, my job here is not less than a broker. Mangala, it's better to die than live like this. Secretary, I have nothing to say. Boss, Secretary, Betty he is coming here, go from here. Mangla exit and secretary kills the boss. Narrator, no one values woman's respect. If she wants to work, wants role in the film, or contact minister. Even for melee day, woman has to keep her respect on stake. Look at her, she is coming alone at midnight, let's see what happens. SCENE Street. Two characters act drunk. They are singing some song. Drunkard 1, in front of Gandhiji statue, same face, same nose, same specs, same stick, I think I have seen him somewhere. Drunkard 2, yes, me feeling same. Drunkard 1, who is he? Yes, now I remember, didn't you see Munna? Bhai, there is one actor in it, he is the same guy. Drunkard 2, yes, me think he is same. Drunkard 1, oh no, let me think, thinks, yes I am little bit drunk, he is Gandhiji. He gave us something, yes, independence. Drunkard 2, yes me think he is same. Drunkard 1, where is Gandhiji, gone? Is he thrown into jail again? Drunkard 2, yes me think same. Drunkard 1, turns, yes there is he, again turns, sees Mangla, who is she? Wait, she is slice of moon. Drunkard 2, yes me think same, sound of whistle. Drunkard 1, Kaka, is that police isn't it? Drunkard 2, yes me think same. Drunkard 1, what are they here for? Policeman 1, what is wrong, what are you doing? Abbe, what is going on here? Arrest both of them. Policeman 2 arrests Drunkard 1, he is a small kid, Let him go, forgive him. Policeman, okay then arrest him, points drunkard 1. Both drunkards, oh sorry. Policeman, tell me how she looks? Drunkard 1, like sister. Drunkard 2, yes me think same. Policeman, disappear from her, both run away, Mangla also try to leave, he stops her, come here, what time is it, coming? From the picture hall night show? Mangla, no sir, there was an interview. Policeman, what did you just say, interview? Right now at 12 o'clock. In the night, interview? Nice story. Mangla, no, I'm telling you the truth. Policeman, come. Mangala, where? Policeman, police station, where else? Mangala, no, I'm telling you the truth. Policeman, okay come. Mangala, where? Chorus, police station, where else? Laughs. Policeman, who is laughing? We are policemen, who are we, what? Do we look like fools or joker to you? We too have mothers and sisters, we too are honest, we wear khaki and we are honest, do you understand? I rickshaw, stop, go. Amma, go home, don't look at her face. Take her now, and drop her at home. SCENE market. Auctioneer, come here. Alligator, delegator, negotiator, appreciator, come here. Fathers of spinsters, very fresh goods have arrived just now. Great family background, beautiful job holders full. Guarantee to wife. AE doctor gives stylish pose. 2. Mangala, Beti look, he is a doctor, knocked 2000. Injections for TB, cancer, AIDS. Mangla, what? Auctioneer, oh no. To the patients, they are his regular customer, hey. Treat animals also, only 1 lakh very cheap local tax. Extra. Mangala, huh. Auctioneer, oh, same way like TV, fridge, car, etc. You don't like him, no problem, I have another item. This is civil engineer. If he touches the sand it turns into cement. He uses sand. For construction, he had constructed 4 to 5 flyovers in Delhi, 2 to 3 more are coming up. Let's go into the details, 25 lakhs. Sorry ma'am, sold out. Never mind, just now new stuff has arrived. I will show you that. He was clerk in railways. Retired day before yesterday, he doesn't want any dowry. He is getting good pension, 1 free travelling pass in a year, for honeymoon etc. Looks like this but he is very strong. Clerk whispers in auctioneer's ear, yeah I understood, look he likes you, if you like him too there is only one condition, you have to bear his hospital expenditure. Mangala, irritated, if he dies we have to bear the expenditure? Auctioneer, oh ho, don't say like this, say nice things. Mangala, listen, we cannot give dowry so I will not marry and anyways I don't want to marry a dead body. Clerk falls. Chorus, Ram Naam Satya hai, picks in. Takes him away. Narrator, there is no specific name for women, wife of minister. Wife of collector, Mrs. Sharma, Mrs. Khanna, one more. Thing which is very interesting, if king marries a poor girl she becomes queen, and if queen marries a poor man she becomes poor girl. But why do you want to marry? Actor 1, to fulfill our needs. Actor 2, to cook food for us. Actor 3, to get rid loneliness. Narrator, okay, if she will do all the work, what will you do for her? Actor 4, we will tie Mangalsutra. Actor 5, give her to 2 rotis. Actor 6, give her children also. Narrator, right and authority is yours, responsibilities and burdens. Hers, no, they need not body only. They want your heart and her mind. You should think the way she thinks. At least, try, whispering in a group. Chorus, yes will do. Half-heartedly. Narrator, can't understand, it is family or business or generational wages? Mangla, I will not marry. Narrator, Betty, SCENE common hand pump area. Chorus, singing some folk song related to in-laws. Woman 1, Chachi, what is new going on in our village? Woman 2, have you heard, our teacher's daughter? So many years Have passed, she is not married yet, is that the way? Woman 3. Who are you talking about? Mangala. Oh ho. Forget it. Have you seen her face? Marriage is. Woman 2. Look at me, I was not even 16. As soon as I got married, I had children also. Woman 1. You are hilarious, Chachi. Who needs marriage to have children? Mangla enters. Woman 3. Mangla, when are you going to offer us marriage sweets? Your turn will come or not. What is your age now? Opening parenthesis dot. Mangla quietly leaves. Woman 1. Well said, Chachi. Give me that bucket. Laugh. Woman 2. Yes, yes, laughs. SCENE gibberish. Song or prayer to Lord which denotes the truth is denied. Chorus. Whispering gibberish. Narrator. It's like this, buyer. Not everybody in the society is same. There are people who have empowered human, like Shri Raja Ram Mohan Roy and anyways leave it. Someday an idealist man will come to marry you. Idealist Shani enters. Who are you? Shani, idealist. Narrator. What do you want? Shani, marriage. Narrator. Dowry? Shani, chi. Narrator. TV, fridge, AC? Shani, chi. Narrator. Car? Shani, nodding head for no. You are just so funny. Here is my signature. Your daughter means 10 lakhs to me. Immediately. Get us married. Allow me to tie Mangal Sutra. Narrator. Why to wait? Get married. Gibberish marriage shlok. Scene after marriage. Shani. What is this? Mangala. Milk. Shani. I thought it is poison. Yes, didn't ask for dowry. Got married to you. I'm useless, jobless, and of course ugly. But it's me. Kill me today and go with somebody tomorrow. Mangala. Listen, today is our Shani. Oh, yes, wedding night. Very difficult to live with a person you don't like, huh? Mangala. Don't like. Who said that? Shani. Your eyes. Mangala. Shani. Feeling shy? So this is your first experience, isn't it? Opening parenthesis dot. Mangala. Surprise. I will not burn in flames if you stare at me like this. Come here. Look into my eyes. Do you remember? Mangala. Surprise. You. Shani. You broke the promise and ran away. She remembers past life. Why are you crying? Mangala. Wit fell into my eye. Shani. Wit? I thought you are angry with me. Oh yes, your father sent a letter to you. Mangala. Where is it? Shani. Read and ripped. Mangala. What did he write? Shani. Same as usual. How is my daughter? How is your health? If she will not drink Horlicks, she won't be able to sleep. Above all, can't give money I asked for. Mangala. Maybe he don't have. Shani. If he didn't had money, he shouldn't have given birth to a girl, and if she was born, he should have suffocated her. Mangala. What I'm thinking is, I must sell you off. Mangala. What? Shani. Just for 1 year only. After that, if you wish, you can come back to me. Mangala. Who gave you right to sell me? Shani. I have tied Mangal Sutra. Took 7 vows. Isn't it enough? It is an old tradition. Mangala. It is malpractice run by egoists. If tying Mangal Sutra is your right, then I break and throw it right now. Shani. It is not as easy as you think. I have tied in the presence Panchabhuta. It is not going to break. You want wedding mantras. I want money. You want liberation. I want money. You want freedom. I want money. Mangala. Why should we give you dowry? Shani. To marry you. To give you social status. To give you pleasure. Mangala. You call it pleasure. Like demons, wild animals, you suppress me, crush me, vanquish me. I do not want such happiness. Why me? No woman on this earth wants that. Shani. No matter how much you scream your head off, you will have to die within these 4 walls, suffocated to death. I will see. Who will save you? Mangala. Help. Shani Rose. Mangala. Bhaiya. Help me. Shani Rose. Mangala. Pitaji. Help me. Shani Rose. Shani. God. Bhaiya. Help me. Shani Rose. Narrator. Why are you crying, Betty? Mangala. Please save me from this beast-like husband. Narrator, you are so innocent, Betty, even if your husband is a lion. Alligator, sick, angry, wicked, you should worship him. You have to live with him. This is the duty of every Indian. Virtuous woman. Mangla, no, I don't want to be enslaved for the sake of virtues. I want freedom, I want love, I want hands that can wipe my tears. Narrator, you are very greedy, Betty. Patriarchy rules here. Cow and mother is worshipped, not loved here. We will use you as long as we need. Later we will send cow to slaughter. House and woman to the crematorium. This is our culture. Mangla, what type of culture is this? You bite the hands who feed you. That's not fair. Narrator, no, this is fair. In the uncivilized society, the weak are meat and the strong eat. Freedom is not something which can be given away as charity. You know the reasons behind your miseries, your beauty, your innocence, your tolerance, your kindness, your forgiveness. Where is that tiger whose heart melted by seeing tears in cow's eye? If women want to survive, she has to live like a tigress. She is not powerless. She is powerful. She has the power to create and destroy. Never forgive us it, Betty. Never forgive us. Never trust our false commitments, pseudo-idealists, oppressors who manipulated scriptures to suppress your freedom, creators of wicked traditions. Never forgive those importance. Mangala transforms into Shakti and kills Shani. Chorus, Yatra naryastu pujyante ramante tatra devta. Yatratastu na pujyante sarvastatra falakriya. The end. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video with the next chapter.